Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do breakdance moves. Breakdancing, or b-boying/b-girling, is an athletic style of street dance. It combines four primary elements: top rock, down rock, power moves, and freezes. We'll start by mastering the fundamental top rock steps, which are your upright movements. Then, we'll transition into essential down rock footwork, like the 6 step, to build a strong foundation for your floor work. Consistency is key to developing your rhythm and coordination. Now, let's dive deeper into down rock and footwork techniques. The 6 step is your bread and butter. Practice it until it feels natural, moving your feet in a continuous circular pattern. Once you're comfortable, introduce variations, such as the 3 step and 5 step, to add complexity and flow to your sequences. Remember to keep your body low to the ground and engage your core muscles throughout these movements for optimal balance and control. This will help you transition smoothly between steps. Next, we'll introduce the exciting world of power moves. Start with the baby freeze, a fundamental static pose that builds essential upper body and core strength. To execute it, support your body on your head and hands with your elbow tucked into your side. Practice transitioning from your 6 step directly into this freeze. This helps you understand the dynamics of moving from footwork to a held position. Strong core muscles and stable shoulders are crucial for progressing to more dynamic power moves. Finally, let's explore freezes and how to develop your personal style. Beyond the baby freeze, experiment with poses like the chair freeze, balancing on one hand, or even the challenging air baby. Aim to hold each freeze for at least 3 to 5 seconds to build strength and control. Remember, breakdancing is also about self-expression. Combine your top rock, down rock, power moves, and freezes in creative ways, adding your own unique flair and personality. Practice consistently, and your style will naturally emerge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.